is the demo of the FlowTask. So what we have here is the landing page. Let's go through all of that. You can find all the information you're looking forward to it. And here's all the batches that we have long to upload on. And yeah, here's already all the details. So in short, FlowTask is a lightweight ERP system. Not as ERP system, it is a workspace for professionals. And yeah, let's just get into it. So for the sign up, we have used Clerk, and Clerk it is for better decrypting data and handling data collection, and yeah, making the authentication easy. Let me just get in the app. Okay. Yeah. So for me, this is the thing. But for you, this is how it is really looking. How I add new today. So you can just write, create college management system. So what will it do is give you some templates that you can work. Now it will be working and creating each database, each dashboard, and everything like that. Just give it a time. And that's us discuss about how it is better than the other ERP system. So other ERP system does not have AI supports like how my app has. And the second is all that look like you will notice that it is not how ERP system should be. It is very unique. So what I have built is a lightweight and easy to use. So it feels like Google Workspace rather than a complicated ERP system. The working will be same. The team collaboration tools, URL link, everything like will be same. Because the only thing is change is it lightweight and easy to use. So on the schedule, launching your workspace is on the way. Yes, it is enough. It requires a couple of minutes.
So this is the college management dashboard. So already colleges have some data, so they can just import it in. So let me just import a college data, a fake data. Let's see upcoming events updated, guiding performance, and department faculty numbers are updated now. All the things are okay. You can see after members there was 0 at the starting, but there is now 2. And yeah, everything like that is changed. And now this is a customizable. So a dean of the college can customize a dashboard according to him. He has all the details. Like the publication given preparing the save visibility go at the destination. And also can change the batch switches. Now you go to the admission module. Some changes unique from current ERP system is first of all, this is a proper one-time setup requirement. For it to know the context of your college is requirement. After then, let's see currently all the things are 0. This graph is customizable, so it is collapsible as well. And you can add application. So let me just import. You can use all of these. All of these are working. And let's just import. So there's a fake data I have created. Where is it? Let me just upload with QTN. So you can see all that first name, last name, emails, phone number, then bit of birth, gender, and the kind of that. You can just import it. Yeah, so there is now 100 abilities. And now, okay. So the thing is, they have a running draft. What major difference is? So what we have difference is you can just kill the manual work. Okay, so what you can do is click on the name, with their name, and just type and what names that is who second. Now you can see successfully updated status for and month here. Now it also sees student now are eligible for fee payment and hostel allocation. So it just automated the tasks rather than a manual work. So if I just refresh the page, you'll be able to see a difference. Now you can see the macro that we changed and the overview. The chart has now changed accordingly because I accepted. You can just see. And yeah, it is automated now. Now the accepted is here. If you go to the fee and payment, this asks for the one time, it's exactly a one time setup. Does not know your college details right now. So yeah, you can just select everything like that. And you can see one student in here, name McLean, since she was in BTech CSC. Her total payment should be for 4 years will be 4,50,000. Now the first semester fee is 40,500. She can pay right through it. Right through it. Nah, it has been paid and the receipt has been generated. So since I have shared screen for this tab, you can't able to see the receipt generated. But it does generate a receipt. Now, another thing which might be a question is how it is different from current ERP system. ये को लगता भी नहीं है मेरे से. So the thing is, you can just share. You can just share this on the view level or can edit. The team can send view level to the students. So student will be able to see only the required things, the fee payment page, the student activity page, student management page, any parent control, and everything like that. So Dean can select which page he wants to show or add to a view. And also you can see like it is working right now. Like if I want to share it with the staff, I can just generate a link. And yeah, and just generate a link which I can just paste on different tab and open them. And like here, you can see this is a button. Here, the avatar on that staff when we in. So you can the dean can even see which person is online and which is not unavailable. This is it. And now the hostel allocation. So after the payment method is there. Now what hostel accommodation setup is, so you can just write number of rooms. So let's see, like my college has 10 rooms. Now number of hostel, I have 2 hostel in my college. Just taking an example. Per hostel per floor, next just give it a 2. दो ही बहुत है. Now amenities, depending on the college, amenities change कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं चाहूँ तो लाइक 4 पीपल का एक रूम हो. और ये है रूम पैटर्न. सो आपको बार-बार A001, A002, A101 कुछ लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट जस्ट ऑटो जनरेट्स. लाइक इट नोज़ माय पैटर्न. ऑटो जनरेट करने के बाद दिस विल आस्क फॉर दैट परमिशन. If you said yo, okay, then you can see all the rooms are generated with the patterns. You can see. ना मैंने डाला था 2 फ्लोर है और हॉस्टल्स हैं A1 and A1 A1. 2 हॉस्टल्स हैं 2 फ्लोर है तो उस पर डिवाइड कर दी. Now you can see available batch right there. 15 just stayed हुए हैं और no students were allotted. So available all this. Now अगर कोई student जैसे उसका payment here, his name will be visible here and you can just allot him the role. But data changes and you'll be able to see who is staying where, what's their fee, roommates, everything like that. We can allocate and allocate again. Now academics and timetable. So ये तो नॉर्मली रहता है, लेकिन चेंजेस ये है कि हमने इसमें अब गूगल टेबल डाल दिया है. तो जो स्टूडेंट रहेगा उसको अब नोटिफिकेशन आएगा हर चीज़ में. जैसे उसके क्लासेस उसे ऑलरेडी मैसेजेस में आएंगे रादर देन कि उसको एक टाइम टेबल रटा हो. उसके मैसेजेस उसके फ़ोन में नोटिफिकेशन की तरह आएगी. 30 मिनट्स अगो, 15 मिनट्स अगो. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. और एक और चीज़ है, वी आर वर्किंग ऑन इम्पोर्ट थिंग. सो यू नो द इमेज एनालिसिस. सो अगर आप एक टाइम टेबल ऑलरेडी डालते हैं, जैसे कॉलेज का ऑलरेडी टाइम टेबल होता है, अगर आप इसको अपलोड करते हैं तो वो अपने आप भी सारे टाइम टेबल बना के रख देगा. रादर देन आप मैनुअल वर्क, वी कैन जस्ट ऑन वर्किंग ऑन AI असिस्टेंट्स. हाँ, यहाँ पे सारे स्टूडेंट की डिटेल्स analytics and everything like that. Now let's go to student management. Uh, Other things are working. I will show you later. But the main thing, अगर यहाँ पे कोई भी लिखता है कि स्टूडेंट के अभी 75% से अटेंडेंस कम है और एक डीन है, उसको बार बार देखना पड़ रहा है कि किसका कम है किसका ज़्यादा है। एक एम्प्लॉय उसका ऐड कर रखा है जिसकी वजह से वो देख रहा है एक सी एस पेपर आ रहा है, राइट स्टूडेंट की नेम 75% से कम। सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज यू कैन जस्ट राइट ड्राफ्ट एन ईमेल फॉर स्टूडेंट्स who has less attendees, वो 75%. What it will do is write the email with CSV attached. तो CSV डाउनलोड हो चुका है, लेकिन I have just shared the tab, so it does not able to see. You can't able to see at the receipt thing, but it will contain all the data of the students with the student ID, names, first name, department, and everything like that. So manual work is ended. Repetitive task of entering data, going through departments, it's just gone. You can just write the right here. So I only have one student here. So you can see that dear anime clear, congratulations again your acceptance. Since the student does not have attendance right now, that's why it did not generate anything. So yeah, it is working and this will a unique thing. Now you can see all the details like old, post, action, everything like that. Normal thing. Also, one more thing, which is like this is a calendar. Okay? You can connect it with Google. Google Workspace are working. I think you'll be able to see my name and Gmail, everything like that. Everything is working. You can connect Google Sheet, Google Form, and everything like that. This is working now. Also, you can see your Gmail in. Gmail will be connected just like calendar did, and you will be able to see all the messages, all the emails, and the FlowTask will be able to. You can give FlowTask a permission to read your email and generate tasks along with it. Like you have to send student data to your staff member. So you can just write in here, send details to this assigned receipt. It will do all the jobs. Now also, what is the difference between ours and others is this since it is a lightweight and it is a easy to use thing like Google Workspace. So you can just create. You can go to Ask King page. Okay. You can give this to a student and he be able to create many things like roadmaps. Like he can create roadmaps for a study. Like study roadmaps. Temporarily generated. Now let's see. In GitHub, Kanban, and backlog in progress in Notion, and Google Form, and Google Payments. Okay, so in the project management, now since we have one student added, so the data is shifted here, and the amount he paid in the payment and fee and payment, it will be shown in. Now, also one more thing, if you go to in and create new page, okay, a new page will be created. Now, like custom pages can be created by the university. So it does not feel like ERPM system, but very easy to use. And you can see dynamically. Like, listen, let me show you an idea. Wait. So here I have just upload an image in here. You can just write notes, like take notes from the classes. Like you can say, hi, I am Neon Video this project for science. value when you play back. You can even name it like bring the university grams font days. And you can upload documents. Let me just upload this one. It will be uploaded in there. Now, this is a very dynamic sort of a ERP system. Not only that, you can just click on templates button here and you can choose meeting notes, project, roadmap. So like if they're like a hackathon, so you can select project roadmap and you can just name project roadmap, right? SIH hackathon and roadmap. Wait a second, let me just show you. I have selected this and this. Yeah, and let us just create these two. Like here, the attendees can be changed. And now the meeting you create is from Google Meet and Google Microsoft Teams. You can connect with both of them. You can quick notes here, like meeting goals. You can check next step and everything like that can be visible here. And these are the notes. You can delete them and you can write anything from the text. Like you can select what type you want to write. So everything like that is a dynamic and customizable. This is the difference between the current ARM system and this. So this is a lightweight and easy to use, but with AI supported, you can feel the ARM system, but with multi things like productivity tool, all in one platform. I can see that. I there's the meeting notes, and we have created project roadmap. So I just want to name it SIH roadmap. All right. So let me just write SIH roadmap. I can just name it and it will be saved in here. Now I can just create task. Like MAB creation. It will be created and I can just write, I can just change its priority and everything like that.